Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a long time, but we're back. We're ready to go again, and we apologise for being away. I got sick. Long story, not going to go into it, it's boring. We're here to do a taste test, and today it's going to be a combination of pasta with strawberry. Might seem like a weird combination, but combinations of different foods, it's all around the world. Been in Philippines with my wife, went to a place called Quezon City. It's part of Metro Manila, and they have something called santol, which is a fruit, and they mix that with soy sauce. So different countries, different variations of food. In my country we have Marmite. People might think that's a weird food. My wife loved it, didn't you?
Yeah.
You loved Marmite.
I know, I don't like.
So, on with the show. This is what we've got. We have strawberries, which is being pureed. We put some honey in it. This is a strawberry, if you don't know what a strawberry looks like. Right guys, here it goes. Inspired by Poland. They have this in Italy as well. It's delicious.
You like it?
Yeah, it's really delicious. You're gonna have to try one of us. Show the good people your food. My wife has got the same. Yeah, it's really nice.
Sweet?
Yeah, super.
It's like it now.
This is perfect for summertime. Yeah, this is perfect for summer. You can really taste the strawberry with the combination of pasta. Just get me a spoon.
Sure. Spoon? You just use like that one.
Alright. Yeah, well, I'm British, I like to have all the cutlery. All the cutlery. Salamat Maganda. Well, I'm trying to not make a mess. That's why I'm holding it up like this so I don't make a mess, because I always make a mess when I eat. And this is quite a simple recipe, but simple food is often delicious. And then the origins of this recipe, at least from Poland, it's seasonal, because of course they use the food that they have available, which is often strawberries, which is, well, it's delicious, isn't it? And you can stock the pasta for a long time. You don't need fresh pasta, you can just get dry pasta. It doesn't have to be this particular type of pasta, it can be any type of pasta. But just pasta with strawberries, delicious.
It's like dessert now.
Yeah, it's really delicious. It's refreshing, isn't it? It's refreshing, and because it's got pasta in it, it gives you energy, doesn't it? Okay. But guys, tell me in the comment section, in your country, let me know where you're from, and tell me in the comment section below, what combinations of food that you have that maybe other countries don't have, and we can try them in a different video. And as always, like and subscribe. Right guys, until the next video, we're going to do 2 videos a week from now on, and alright, see you in the next video. Ingat car.